morning, ma'am.
Very good
Good morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Good morning.
How are you, ma'am? How are you, ma'am?
I
How
am
are you,
fine.
ma'am?
I am fine.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Siddharth.
Okay.
Sit
Morning, ma'am.
active
Good
today.
morning, ma'am.
Very, very good morning,
Good
children.
morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
Good morning.
How are you, ma'am?
I am fine. Thank you, Siddharth. It's nice. It's nice. Good.
Some you.
So, in our previous class, we have discussed that Fakru was a frantic boy and everyone was tired of Fakru. Yes, he worried for each and everything, and he asked many questions to everyone. Yes, we have discussed. And where does he live? He lived with his family on 3rd Street, station number 3 in the city of Bhopal. So, what is his name? Nickname? Everyone called him affectionately. Everyone called him. You can unmute.
Pakru. Pakru.
Very good, very good. Fakro, Fakro. So everyone called him Fakhruddin, affectionately Fakru. And what is his friend's name? Can you tell me his friend name? Friend name? What is his friend name? Param.
Ah.
Param.
Param.
Ah, yes.
Param.
Param is his.
Param.
Yes.
Param.
And what did Param do? Can you tell me? Did he help? Did he help Fakru?
His book. He
Huh?
tore one page from his book and he gave one page from his notebook and he gave to friend Fakru.
Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, wait.
Very good. He told one page. Veda and Sai Joshi has given the answer. Good. So Fakru was very much worried about his page. So Param, his friend, tore a page and gave to Fakru. So now let us continue. And next what happened? One more reason. There was one more reason that Fakru became worried. He was very much frantic. What was that? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me that what was the reason? Ah, very good. Power went off. When power went off, yes, he was worried. And then what did his mother do?
Sunlight. Sunlight.
She bought a lantern.
Lantern light.
Lantern. Yes,
Candle.
she brought lantern to Fakru and she told Fakru, don't be so frantic, don't be so panic. You have to find the solution for your problems. Okay, so now let's continue, children. Let's continue. Yes. So, next, you can see in this picture that Fakru was asking lots of so many questions to mother, and see how mother face. Yes, she's tired. She's tired, and see, look at his father. He's taking bath, even though he's disturbing Fakru, disturbing his father, even asking too many questions. One day, what happened? Let us see now. Open your Fakhruddin page. Page numbers are not given. You can see this picture. See fridge. Take out this page, everyone. One day, what happened? Fridge in Fakhru's house stopped working. Fridge stopped working. The poor thing had been through repairs 7 times, but this time it finally broke down. Oh my, oh my God! The fridge was too old. And yes, yes, Mayuri. So the fridge was too old and it went for repairs. How many times? Unmute and tell me for how many times it went for the 7 times. Very good.
7 times.
Yes, now it's finally broke down. Finally broke down. And Fakru's parents didn't have the money to buy a fridge right away. They decided to wait. So when fridge broke down, Fakru parents, what they thought, now they don't have money with them to go with a new fridge. So they thought, we will wait for some time. When we'll get the money, then we will buy a new fridge. Fakru was frantic. Now fridge broke down, no beta. He got one more reason to become a frantic. So now Fakru became frantic. He ran to his father. How can we live without fridge? Abbu, children, we call Papa, Dad, yes, for our father. Here Fakru is calling Abbu. What is he calling for his father? What is he calling for his? Tell me.
Appu.
Not Appu, beta. Abbu. A-B-B.
Abbu.
Yes. Abbu. Okay. A-B-B-U. Abbu. Why not, beta? Said Abbu. So many people live without a fridge. We can too. What did he say? Yes, beta. Without fridge also we can live. There is no issue in that. We can live without fridge. So many people will live without fridge. Fakru ran to his mother. Now, Fakru ran to his mother. You can see this picture again. Fakru ran to his mother. What will we do without a fridge, Ammi? Now see. For mother, what is he calling for mother? We call mummy, mom, mama. But he is calling?
Ammi.
Yes,
Ammi.
he's calling Ammi. So so he went to his Ammi and he's asking, see, what will we do without a fridge, Ammi? He wailed. What is the meaning of wail, children? Crying in a loud. Yesterday we have discussed, the meanings. Yes, what is the meaning of wailed? A high-pitched cry of pain or anger. He got anger. Now he is in anger. He was frantic and he wailed. He was shouting. We will make just enough food to eat for one time. And if there are leftovers, we can ask our neighbor Yamuna Didi to keep it in her fridge, said Ammi. When Fakru went to his Ammi, Ammi said, beta, don't worry. Don't worry. Without fridge also, we can do our things. We will prepare enough food to eat for one time. If anything left over, then we can ask our neighbor, Yamuna Didi. Who is the neighbor? Children, who is the neighbor?
Yamuna Didi.
Yes, Yamuna Didi. Yeah, so what Ammi said that the leftovers we can ask Yamuna Didi to put it in her fridge. But Fakru was still frantic. But water, cold water, Ammi. How can I live without cold water in this hot weather? I can't go every now and then to the neighbors to drink cold water. Oh, he's also right. Yes, children. If it is summer, we feel so thirsty and we love drinking cool water, right? Will you love drinking cool water during the hot days? Yes, children?
Yes.
Yes, even
Yes.
Fakru likes to drink cool water because it was a very hot day. And he said, how can I go every now and then, all the time? Some other, like now and then, how can I ask water, cool water to the neighbors, the Yamuna Didi? Fakru's mother was fed up. Now Fakru's mother got angry. And she said, Fakru, if you want cold water, you can find a way yourself. Fakru's mother said, Fakru, if you want cold water so badly, if you want cold water, so what you have to do? You should find a way yourself. Fine, Fakru said, as he walked out on his house. I will do something myself. What did Fakru say? Fakru said, okay, Ammi, I will do something myself. Then he went out. Across the road, he saw a lemon soda seller selling cold lemon soda. Wow. It was a hot day. He went out, and what did he found outside? What did he find, beta? Lemon. Come on, tell me.
Lemon soda.
Lemon soda seller. Then,
Lemon soda seller.
yes,
Lemon soda seller.
very good. Lemon soda seller. And he didn't have a fridge. He went up to the cart and saw the man take some ice cubes out of a white box and put it into the glass of lemon soda. So what did he see there? He saw that lemon soda seller was taking some ice cubes from a white box. He was taking some ice cubes from the white box and putting it into the glass of soda. Fakru was thrilled. What is the meaning of thrilled? Fakru was thrilled to have a sudden feeling of excitement and pleasure. You see, here it is written the meaning. What is the meaning? Thrilled. To have a sudden feeling of excitement and pleasure. Repeat, everyone. You also try to read by yourself. To have, you can unmute. Come on. To have
To have
a sudden feeling of excitement and pleasure. Very good. So, when he saw the lemon soda seller, he was thrilled. He got a sudden feeling of excitement. Yay, there is an ice. Now I can eat. Now I can drink cool lemon soda. He was very much excited. And I have got the answer. Ice. I will use ice to keep water cold. Okay? He said, I will use ice now to keep my water cold. Bhaiya, what did he call to lemon soda seller? Children, what did he call?
Bhaiya.
What is the meaning of bhaiya? Do you know?
Brother.
Yes, very good. Brother.
Brother.
Yes, brother. Very good. Brother. So, bhaiya, if you keep the ice in the box, it doesn't melt. Does it? Asked Fakru. Fakru asked, bhaiya, you kept this ice in a big box, no? Yes. So, will it melt? The ice melts? Ice melts. You can see here how Fakru is thrilled. No. it doesn't. This is a thermocol box. It keeps hot things hot and cold things cold. The man replied. What is that box name, children? He kept some ice cubes in a box, no? What is it made up of? The box was made up of? Unmuted.
Thermocol box.
Thermocol. It is made up of.
Thermocol.
So hot.
Thermocol.
Very good.
Thermocol.
Hot things. Yes, in the thermocol box, the thermocol box keeps hot things hot and cold things cold. The man replied, great. Now I will make this my new fridge, said Fakru, turning to go. Then Fakru said, now I will use this thermocol box. I will use this thermocol box as a fridge. I will keep lots of ice in that. Then I can drink cool water, he said. The lemon soda seller called out Fakru. Beta, come here, come here. He was going, then he called, Fakru, come here, come here. Beta, come here. What is the meaning of beta? Children, beta?
Beta means sun.
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 Very good. Sun.
Beta.
Yes. He's calling, my dear son. Beta, I did not say that the ice will never melt. You will have to fill the box with fresh ice every day. What Fakru thought, no? If once we will keep the ice in the box, thermocol box, we can use for days and days, 2, 3, 4, 10 days like that we can use. Is it right, children? We can use like that. The ice melts, no? So he said, the lemon soda seller said, we have to put a fresh ice every day. We have to fill the box with fresh ice every day. What? Fresh ice every day? How much will that cost? Asked Fakru frantically. Again, he was frantic. Oh my God, fresh ice every day. Oh, how much does it cost? About 10 rupees a day. He said, about 10 rupees a day. Every day 10 rupees. But I have only 20 rupees. How much money Fakru has, beta? Tell me. How much? 20 rupees. Yes. And what is the cost of ice per day?
10 rupees.
10
rupees.
Yes. So how many days he can buy?
10 rupees.
Yes. So how many days he can fill the box with ice cubes?
2.
Only 2 days. Only
2.
2 days. Yes. Only 2 days he
2.
yes.
2.
Yes. 2 days. So only 2 days he can fill the box with ice cubes. That's too little, Fakru said sadly. Now Fakru is very, very sad. He's very sad. He thought that, oh, it's too little amount. Only 20 rupees I have, and I can buy ice cubes only for 2 days. No. Oh, he felt so sad. Children, tell me why he felt so sad. Why Fakru was sad?
Why? Because daily fresh ice rupees. Why? And rupees fresh ice. Only 20
One by
rupees.
one. 1 second. 1 second. Okay, Veda want to tell. Yes, Veda.
Why? Because daily ice cubes we should buy for 10 rupees. He has only 20 rupees.
Okay. Okay. Tarini, yes?
Yes, miss.
Yes. Tell me why Fakru was sad.
Because he can't buy ice cube.
Very good. Because he can't buy the ice cubes. Janvi, why he can't buy the ice cubes?
It's 10 rupees.
Okay. And how much money does he have?
20
Very good. So children, Bhavarshit, Brinda, Ananya, Ayansh Gupta, Advit Gujja. Okay. So children, now you all understood that how Fakru was very, very much frantic for each and everything. And finally, he was very sad that he couldn't buy ice cubes and no solution for his problem. What happens next? How he will find a solution, we will see in our next class. Course book, page number 18. Write date today. Today's date. What is today's date? Seventeen 11. Okay, 17/11 is okay. And write CW. Now see, tick write the correct option and fill in the blanks with the option to complete the sentence. When Fakhruddin, children, when Fakhruddin's fridge broke, dash. Three options are given there. There are three options. His parents, first option A.
What is page number, ma'am?
1818 beta.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, you are welcome. Now see, three options are given there. Yes, Tarini? You have any doubt?
Miss, why did you write 17? It's actually 18
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
today.
Thank you. Thank you,
You're
dear.
welcome.
Okay. So, Sai Ritvik?
Ma'am, today 18 17.
Oh, today's date is 18. No, beta, I forgot.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now write 1811. And what are the options? Yes. Children, now make it fast, beta. Three options are given there. His parents bought a fridge right away. His parents got frantic. Fakhruddin got frantic. Which is the correct answer? Unmute.
Fakhruddin got frantic. Fakhruddin got.
Yes, Fakhruddin. Yes, C. Very good. Fakhruddin got frantic. So put C here. Tick. Put tick in C box. And this is wrong. This is wrong. A and B is wrong. C is the correct one. So now you have to write in the blank also, children. Fakhru, F should be capital because it is a noun. And write there, Fakhruddin. Fakhruddin got frantic. If you don't have place there, you can write down also, okay? Frantic. And full stop. That same answer you have to write in the blank. Page number 18, 1-8. You have to write page number 18, bit number 2. Done, children? And now, what are the things needed to make lemon soda water? You should get ready with all these things. Tomorrow we will do this activity in the class. Okay? B question you have. So how many blanks are given for you? A, B, C, D and E. First, you should get lemons, water, cool water, or your wish. Ice cubes you can take. If you have a very cool water, that's enough. If you don't have, then you have to take the ice cubes. Ice cubes. Then sugar. And a pinch of salt. You need a salt also.